friend, this is the super cool couponer from CVS week of June 28 to July 4th, 2020. Today I use all the digital and printable coupon. So let's get started. First deal is Colgate toothpaste deal. Buy 2 Colgate, get $4.50 ECB back. The limit is 2 per household. It's sell on $3.49 each. Buy 4 Colgate total 4.8 OZ. The totals come out $13.96. I use $3 of 12 Colgate CVS CRT. I use 1 $3 of teeth whitening kit CVS CRT. I use 4 75 cents of Colgate total printable coupon on colgate.com. The total coupon is $9. I pay $4.96 and get back $9 ECB. The final cost all 4 Colgate is free plus $4.04 moneymaker. And if you don't have $3 of teeth whitening kit CVS CRT, you still get $1.01 moneymaker. The second deal I did the Colgate toothpaste deal. Buy 2 Colgate toothbrush, get $5 ECB back. The limit is 2. The sell $3.99 each. I buy 4 Colgate manual toothbrush, 1 CT. The totals come out $15.96. I use 1 $4 of 16 Colgate oral care CVS CRT is printed for me last week. I use 4 75 cents of Colgate printable coupon on colgate.com. The total coupon is $7. I pay $8.96 and get back $10 ECB. The final cost is free plus $1.04 moneymaker. Third deal is Colgate mouthwash deal. Colgate total mouthwash 500 ml. It sell $3.99. Use 1 $2.50 instant coupon. It's printed from this week. I use 1 75 cents of Colgate mouthwash printable coupon on colgate.com. Use $1 of mouthwash CVS CRT. Pay $0 and final cost is free. The fourth deal is Maybelline deal. Buy 2 get $5 ECB. Its limit 3 per household. Buy 4 Maybelline Expert Wear Twin Eye and Brow. The total comes out $19.96. Use 1 $4 of mystery coupon. It's printed from last week. Use 1 $5 of 20 of Maybelline Cosmetic CVS CRT. Use 4 $2 of Maybelline printable coupon on coupon.com. The totals come out $17. Pay only $2.96 and get back $10 ECB. The final cost is free plus $7.04 moneymaker. If you don't have $4 of mystery coupon, you still get $3.04 moneymaker. It's also count CVS Beauty Reward. The fifth deal is CoverGirl Cosmetic deal. Buy 2 CoverGirl product and get back $7 ECB plus free GSQ blender. The limit is 1 per household. Buy 1 CoverGirl Clean Press Powder, $8.49. Buy 1 CoverGirl Professional Regular Brush Mascara, $6.99. The totals come out $15.48. Use $1 off, $3 off CoverGirl Eye Product printable coupon on coupon.com. Use 1 $3 of CoverGirl Face Product printable coupon. Use 1 $3 of 15 CoverGirl Cosmetic CVS CRT. Use $1 of 50-cent CoverGirl Mascara app only coupon. The total coupon is $10.50. Pay only $4.98 and get back $7 ECB plus free GSQ blender. The final cost is all 3 product is free plus $2.02 moneymaker. It's also counts CVS Beauty Reward. The sixth deal is Physician Formula deal. This is the unadvertised deal. Spend $20 and get back $10 ECB. The limit is 1 per household. Buy 2 Physician Formula Butter Lip product. The total is $19.98. Use 1 $4 of Physician Formula mystery coupon is printed from last week. Pay only $15.98 and get back $10 ECB. The final cost is $5.98. It's like 2 product is $2.98. If you have 3 of 12 cosmetic CVS CRT, you can use that. It's also count towards CVS Beauty Reward. 7 deal is Wet n Wild deal. Spend $10 and get back $7 ECB. Limit is 3 per household. Buy 2 Wet n Wild Ultimate Bro Kit. The total is $9.98. Pay $9.98 and get back $7 ECB. The final cost is $2.98 or $1.49 each. It's also count towards the CVS Beauty Reward. The 8th deal is Gillette Man Razor and Venus Woman Razor deal. Buy Gillette Man Razor and get back $4 ECB. The limit is 1 per household. It's also sell $9.99. Buy 1 Gillette Woman Razor and get back $4 ECB. Its limit 1 per household. Sell $9.99. The totals come out $19.98. Use 1 $2 of Venus Woman Razor digital coupon. Use 1 $2 of Gillette Man Razor digital coupon. Use 1 $5 of 20 Razor CVS CRT. The total coupon is $9 and pay $10.98 and get back $4 ECB for Man Razor and get back $1 $4 ECB for Woman Razor. The final cost is $2.98. It's like 149 cents each. 9th deal is Sick Disposable Razor deal. Spend $15 and get back $5 ECB. It sell $2 for $12. I buy 3 Sick Disposable Razor. The total is $18. Use 1 $7 of 2 Sick Disposable Razor digital coupon. Use 1 $3 of 1 Sick Disposable Razor digital coupon. Use 1 $1 of Sick Razor app only coupon. The total coupon is $11. I pay $7 and get back $5 ECB. The final cost is all 3 razor is $2. Yeah, 66 cents each. If you have $4 of 2 Skintimate Razor CVS CRT, you pay only $4 and get back $5 ECB. It's getting like $1 money maker. The 10th deal is Iris Spring Body Wash deal. Buy 2 get $5 ECB. The limit is 3 per household. It sell 2 for $8. Buy 2 Iris Spring Body Wash 18 FLOZ $8. Use 2 75 cents of Iris Spring Body Wash coupon on irisspring.com. Use 1 $1 of Iris Spring CVS app only coupon. Use 1 $2 of 8 Body Wash CVS CRT. The total coupon is $4.50. I pay $3.50 and get back $3 ECB. The final cost, both product is only just 25 cents each. The 11th deal is household deal. Spend $20 and get back $5 ECB. The limit is 1 per household. Buy 1 Tide Free and Gentle 46 OZ $5.94. Buy 3 Tide Pod 12 to 16 CT for $14.82. The totals come out $20.76. Use 1 $3 of 15 laundry detergent CVS CRT. Use 3 $2 of Tide Pod coupon. It's printed on pngeveryday.com. Use 1 $2 of CVS digital coupon. Use 1 $1 of Tide Pod CVS app only coupon. The total coupon is $12. Pay only $8.76 and get back $5 ECB. The final cost is all 4 product is $3.76. It's like 94 cents each. The last and final deal is General Mills cereal deal. Buy 4 General Mills cereal $1.99 each. I buy 4 General Mills cereal. The totals come out $7.96. Use 1 $2 of 8 breakfast CVS CRT. Use 2 $1 of 2 General Mills cereals printable coupon on coupon.com. The total coupon is $4. pay only $3.96. The final cost is all 4 cereal are only $1 each. So that's this week couponing haul. If you are new to CVS coupon, make sure to watch my first video on description below. If you have any question, comment down me below. Thank you.